In this video, I will show you how to source spatial data in QGIS.
In QGIS, navigate to the plugin menu. Open the Manage and Installs plugin manager. And in that manager, we're going to be looking for QuickOSM. Select the plugin and say install. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Once it's installed, you can close the manager and you will see the plugin has loaded here. I'm going to move mine by clicking and dragging it into a slightly different position. Open the QuickOSM manager and go into Quick Query. In the Quick Query key section, I want to look for the highways, and I want primary highways in South Africa. And then I'm going to run the query. This may take a few minutes. Once the query has been successful, you can close the manager and look at the data you've received. You can see there are lines and points, and I'd like to better understand the data. So I'm going to open the attribute table to see what attributes are attached to the line data. We can see these are primary highways. There are the number of lanes, the maximum speed, the name of the roads, whether it's a one-way or not, and there's a large amount of information that we can ascertain from these. If we look at the point data and look at the attributes, we can look and see that these are different nodes on the highways, showing different traffic signals, and so on. I would like to zoom to the extent of the roads layer. So to make sure I'm there, I'm going to activate the roads layer and click zoom full. We can now see all of the roads. For now, I'm going to turn off the nodes because I'm only interested in the roads. I'm going to use XYZ Tiles and see what different backgrounds and options I have for my map. I'm going to start with openstreetview map. If I drag and pull that onto the map canvas, you will see that an openstreetview map is created. I'm going to drag it below my highways so that I can see my lines clearly above the map. Next, I'm going to have a look at perhaps seeing what a NGI topo sheets looks like. And you have your topographical map. Next, we can have a look at your position map, and that gives us also a slightly different background. These I can pull down so that I can still see my roads above. Next, I would like to create a group of layers to put the base maps into. So I do this by creating a group, and there we have a group 1, which I'm going to name base maps. And I'm just going to pull and drop each of those layers into the group. We can also right-click and tick mutually exclusive group. This means that when one layer is on and the others are always turned off depending on what you want to see. I will check that, and you can see as I turn the maps on and off, that they change and they're not all on at the same time.